I do remember this coffee maker. Black & Decker thermol coffee maker. I'm gonna show you how it works. As you can see, it's coffee maker for a long time. Coffee maker for a long time. And I'm gonna show you how it works. This thing is we put the water in. It's 4-ounce jar of water. So now what? Put coffee in this thing, the water will be going through this thing. Back like this, this is what coffee says. Right here we have the coffee pot. Thermal crafted. I'm gonna show you how it works. You unscrew this, see it? You can pour the coffee into the hollow. Then you can put your cups. Then you put coffee in this same part. Glass. Whisk up the coffee. Now I'm gonna show you this part. The coffee sits, and this is where the coffee filter container. It's where the coffee grounds in. That's where the coffee grounds in. So, it's a thermal coffee maker. Black & Decker. It's made. From my Black & Decker, and it's a good coffee maker, and I recommend it. So,